Hello, welcome to my Lens Studio tutorial. Today I will share with you how to work on the template, and we are going to talk about Distort. First, I'm going to show you the overall interface for Lens Studio. Right now, when you open the Lens Studio software, you can see three buttons. So yeah, so you can see home, templates, and documentation. Documentation means that you can get all the informations or all the updates from Lens Studios here. So it has a lot of materials for you to learn. So yeah, so you can pretty much take a look for documentation, and we are going to talk about the templates. Yeah, and then the most recent project you've done will be listing on the left hand corner, and then you can pretty much see this overall interface here. And as for the home page, you can see all the feature template here. And as for template, it's just so easy to use. All you need to do is to open it, and there are a lot of like a listing out, like saying edit me. So all you need to do is to go to the edit me, that section, and you start tweaking it. And if you don't know how to do it, you can always go to the documentation and see how you can work with those. Yeah, so there are so many stuff you can play. And if you go to templates, you can see distort, face pan, trigger, window, animated object, and there are so many templates. For example, like you can put 2D objects on your face, 3D objects with another extra person, and then animated object in the real world, and you can put a head on your face, and then you can do the face paint as well. And you can definitely use this really cool feature, which means that you can kind of pointing a cool landmark, and your design will come up, which is really cool. And then chain physics, which means you see there are a lot of different joints in this earrings. So pretty much you can use different physics, and then countdown. You can there are a lot of built-in programming, so you can use a countdown and face in the picture, face pan, face mesh, which means that it has the default 3D object that that is as a face mesh, so you can create a lot of different effects. Yeah, and then yeah, so you can see there are so many cool stuff like face in the video, right? And then yeah, and then you can do hair color. You can change your hair color. You can play with your hand. You can play games. You can create games, and you can pretty much interact with the 3D object. Yeah, marker with snap code, marker, makeup, look around, interactive tab. When you tap, there will be some stuff shows up, like some animation shows up. Yeah, so yeah, today we will choose one of it. Yeah, see, there are so many cool stuff here. So yeah, so let's try our first project. Yeah, okay, so go to home page, and it is in the distort. Let's see, stretch. Yeah, so you can pretty much make your eyes bigger, your mouth bigger, and you have a really small head. Okay, so that's click. Yeah, so you can see the interface. Okay, so let's talk about the interface. First, this icon will be the published lens, project info, and then the size, overall size of the whole file. Okay, so as far as I remember, you need to keep the size under, I think, 4 MB. Yeah, because it is for mobile. And in order to have a really good mobile experience or Snapchat app experience, Snapchat requires all the creators to keep their files really small. For example, you need to make sure your texture, your PNG file, your 3D model, everything, and your code at the end need to be under, I think, 4 MB max. So right now I'm pretty safe right now. Okay, so there are different tools. For example, you can move around stuff, kind of like scale stuff, rotating stuff. Yeah. And then here you can see those are more like an assets panel. The resource under here, it's called resource. Resource, pretty much you import everything here. Whatever you want to use, you put here. And this part, the top part, will be seen. For example, whatever you put, resource, you need to drag and drop or like apply to this scene level. Scene level is here. This is the canvas you can use. For example, if I use face retouch, camera, yeah, and then you can go here. This distortion effects. You can go here and see like go search and this this distortion. Yeah, something you can pretty much find in here, right? So all you need to do is kind of like make sure it's all here. So whatever you want to add, you just click this button, right? Okay, so and you can have a lot of different choices. You can add screen image, screen text, camera, line, image object, text object, audio effect, liquify. Oh yeah, I think liquify. So you can do a lot of cool face mask. Okay, let's see, face mask. Yeah, you can pretty much do a lot of cool stuff to it. Okay, so let's delete it. Okay, yeah, so okay, so and as for this checkbox, this means that I want to see it or I don't want to see it. So for example, if I don't want to see this, I just uncheck. You see your mouse is going back to normal. Okay, so so this is a really cool tools for you to kind of play around with the effect. And then this is the canvas where you kind of work on it. And this is the preview. There are two sections. One is inspector, which means that you can make so for example, like you can make your mouse like kind of bigger scale. Yeah, you see the parameter changes, right? So you can kind of like change it, and then you can change to left eye, right eye. Basically, this function, which called face insert, is to kind of cut some part of your face and then put in the place. So you can pretty much duplicate this part. Yeah, Command D, duplicate this part, and then kind of keep duplicate. Okay, so maybe this part you can duplicate and make it right eye, make it left eye. Okay, so you can duplicate, okay, and make it like a left eye. Okay, so if you go back to preview, you can see this, and inside preview it is so convenient. For example, you can choose whether you want to just show the photo, applying on the photo, the default photo, or videos, right? So videos means that the it will move, and photo means it's just still image. So you can see photo, and then you go here and see, you can have this and this, you can have this. The reason why you can have so many different faces, because sometimes when we design one lens, because we have different skin colors, like we have different genders, and we have different look of our face. So yeah, it's really good to think through every single possibilities. So for example, like you can see, yeah, and there are so many cool, very detailed like interaction. For example, you want them to smile or raise their eyebrows, you can all do that. Okay, so what I want to do is to click this, okay, so click this. This means that I want to see the lens apply on my face. And this one is to switch to the back camera, because remember we use our phone. We can see this part, yeah, right. So we can do the selfie mode, and we can see the real world. So there are two cameras. So yeah, you can flip the cameras and you can refresh it, reset, because sometimes after we apply one text or apply one stuff, then it might take a while, or there's a bug to be applied to apply this effect immediately. So you can refresh it if you didn't see anything. So yeah, so if you see my face, you can see a lot of cool stuff. So this is I use face insert and then start playing around with it. And I can always Command D, and then I can always do this. Yeah, and then I go back and then change the right eye to mouse, and then I can kind of like stretch my mouse and make it really big. Let's see. This is really cool, pretty much. Maybe I need more eyes. Okay, so let's do it. More eyes. Make myself look like an alien, which is so freaking weird. Okay, so this is our lens. Yeah, okay, so this is how we play with the distortion effects and then face insert. And then we want to start playing around the face liquefy, the eyes part. So you see there's like enemy, so we just follow it, just do enemy. Okay, so you can see, ooh, okay, you can pretty much liquefy your eyes, and then go to inspector, and then we can make the radius really big, really small, maybe a little big. Intensity, yeah, we may make it like really intense. Okay, let's see. Oh my god, what the heck? Okay, so this is kind of like a really cool. Look at my beautiful eyes. Yeah, this is. Oh my god. Okay, so you can pretty much play around with it, and you can also do them, like snapping and then symmetrical, and then you can see like the kind of like the overall matrix of your face. Okay, so let's move to another one, which is called face stretch. Yeah, at the beginning you can see my face was being stretched to a really small face. Now I want my face being a little like alien look. Okay, so maybe I can make, yeah, so pretty much you see it's symmetrical. So I can kind of like go here. Yeah, I think this is, oh wow. Yeah, so you can pretty much edit, stretch your face and kind of like get the point. Okay, so you can play around with it. Okay, so this is a really cool lens and I really love this. And then what should I do? First, you go here, let's push your lens. You just click it, sending lenses to your Snapchat. Okay, so all you need to do is to open your Snapchat app. And then you will see there's like you can pretty much apply. If you didn't see it, you click again, and you can pretty much see a notification on top of your like from Snapchat team. And I don't want to say that, but oh shit. Okay. Let me see, maybe. Yeah, I don't know how to do it, but you can pretty much apply the same effect on your phone. So yeah, it looks pretty cool. So let me, yeah, I just made it so you can see. Yeah, pretty much apply it and you can pretty much get the AR lens on your Snapchat immediately. Okay, so and if you want to publish, you need to hit this publish lens, and then you need to fill all the forms. You can do sponsored lens, and if you go to ads manager, you have to pay. So if you want a free one, you just go to community lens. And lens tags makes everything easier because you have to fill it out, and then you can you can search or people can search your lens easier, and you can upload the videos that I just create. Yeah, and so people knows what's this lens about before they try it. Okay, then you can create a little thumbnails for your snap code. Then you hit publish, and yeah, and it's there. Okay, so we can talk about this later. And then if you want to try, you can just follow all the description and finish it. Yeah, okay, so today we finish it and hope you like it. And yeah, okay, thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.